Bonjour, dans cette vidéo on va voir comment faire une redirection vers deux liens différents, donc sur System.io ou sur autre chose, parce que Kevin Baudin demande qui connaîtrait une extension ou un plugin qui permettrait de renvoyer 50% des clics vers une URL A et 50% vers une URL B, dans le cadre d'un clic dans un email ou d'un clic sur un bouton sur une page, chez System.io bien sûr. Donc la solution c'est simple, il suffit de créer une page dans System.io et de mettre un élément, donc voilà par exemple ça, un exemple, un élément HTML, et dedans mettre un code JavaScript. Le code JavaScript va simplement rediriger vers une URL, une des deux. Donc sur la page, il n'y a pas besoin de mettre autre chose, il suffit de mettre l'élément HTML en haut, ou bien on peut le mettre aussi dans les paramètres de la page, dans le champ script, peu importe. Disons c'est plus simple de l'avoir sur la page visuellement. De toute façon, la redirection se fait de suite. Donc voilà le code pour le faire. Il faut mettre donc les balises de script ouvertes et fermées. Var, variable URL1 et URL2. Donc on met ces deux URL qu'on veut, donc pour des liens affiliés. Et après, voilà, le JavaScript, c'est si mat random. Ça donne un nombre entre 0 et 1. Le 1 est exclu, donc c'est entre 0 et 0,9999. Donc c'est un nombre décimal, des virgules. Donc il suffit de dire, voilà, si ce nombre au hasard est plus grand ou égal à 0,5, 0,5, on dit que la variable destination c'est l'URL 1. Sinon, s'il est inférieur, alors la destination égale l'URL 2. Et ensuite on fait la redirection window.location.replace destination. Donc ce code, ça va simplement, à chaque fois que ça lit ça, ça va être un nombre au hasard différent. Donc une fois sur deux, ça sera l'URL 1, une fois sur deux, ce sera l'URL 2. Voilà, c'est totalement au hasard. Alors, dans ces emails et dans le bouton sur les pages, il suffit d'envoyer vers le lien, vers cette page qui contient ce JavaScript. Et quand les gens arrivent sur cette page, hop, ils sont redirigés vers une autre page au hasard. Et donc ça va diviser le trafic en deux. On pourrait le faire avec 3 ou plus, si on veut, avec la même logique. Bon, ça ne serait pas les mêmes chiffres, mais en gros, c'est pareil. Alors, on peut le faire. Il n'y a pas besoin de plugin ou autre. Il suffit de se créer une page, mettre un JavaScript dessus et d'envoyer les gens sur cette page. Voilà, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Bye bye.
Yeah, hey, System.io.com, this is major. Way more than just a sales funnel creator. Got an online business? Tell me, why are you waiting? It's time for you to get your day-to-day automated. Yeah, sell digital and physical products. Host online courses, that's what's up. At only $27 a month, better and cheaper than competitors. What more could you want? Let's go. System.io, this is what you're wanting. Better price, more features than ClickFunnels. System.io, sure enough, growing in the English and the Spanish markets with the French touch. Time to get your day-to-day automated. PayPal and Stripe, yeah, it's all integrated. So many features that the competition can't beat. Have an online business, this is what you need. Yeah, System.io.com, the only tool you need to launch your online business. Check it out now.
Nah, I don't wanna hear you say what is this. It's the only tool you need to launch your online business. Never mind ClickFunnels, that's all wrong. You need to hit up System.io.com. Don't gotta think about it, no you don't gotta ponder. Cause System.io.com got an email autoresponder. And ClickFunnels does it, so we know you gon' love it. And you can create your website or blog on it, in addition with your traditional sales funnels too. System.io.com is the #1 move. You won't lose. It's a sales funnel creator, smashing competition cause you know that we greater. We're new, cheaper, with more features too. For only $27 a month, you can't lose. Yeah, and you can't go wrong. Go ahead and hit up System.io.com. Creating sales funnels, yeah, you know we the bomb. So go on and hit up System.io.com. ClickFunnels, Kartra, etc, etc. System.io.com is the #1 competitor. So nah, you can't go wrong. Go ahead and hit up System.io.com.
Yo, System.io. SystemIO.com is the best. Yeah. SystemIO.com is the best. SystemIO.com, you can't go wrong. Make your online business grow so strong. Best prices in favor of the customer. Get what you need so you can be the winner. ClickFunnels, Contra, they can't test. System.io, we are the best. So listen up to the things that we do and some of the ways that we can help you. Email sent, funnels and blogs, membership sites, domains non-stop, marketing automation so you can reach the nations. Straight and paper integration, A and B tests, nothing but the best. All the stuff you need, we do the rest. From $27 to $97, we'll take your business up to heaven. SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com, what? SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com are the best. We can coach you one-to-one so your business goes strong. So you need to launch your online business. In these days where online prevails, you need a good system to make the sales. This is where System.io comes in. A high-pro system to make you win. We do much more than our competitors do. Run affiliate programs to bring in the new. You want email subscribers? We got it. And long-term members? We got it. Click upsells and all the bumps. Everything is covered. We got the lie. So if you're serious, come join with us. We'll make your business boom. If you come with us, every day is an opportunity. So come join System.io so you can see. SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com, what? SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com are the best.
Yo, we got it all covered, man. From $27 to $97. The only tool you need to make your online business grow. Yo, just sign up.
Listen up, we can make your online business grow real fast. ClickFunnels and Contra will be a thing of the past. Sign up with System.io, I mean today. Your customer database will grow, you hear what I say? Best prices you will find anywhere. Just let the system run and don't fear. We got the system, you got the vision. Go ahead my friend and make the right decision. Customer support and one-on-one, 24/7 to get the job done. We gonna rock it for you if you rock it with us. We keep climbing, never ever lying. System.io is definitely the way. The system you need to make your business boom today. SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com, what? SystemIO.com are the best. SystemIO.com are the best.
Come check us out. SystemIO.com. The system to change and revolutionize your business. The only tool you need to make your online business grow.
System.io. 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 Build your first sales funnel using System.io. System.io. Sell your products using System.io. System.io. Come on, launch your online business using System.io. System.io. Best prices, best deals. Or try it free today. System.io. 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 Build your first sales funnel using System.io. System.io. Sell System I